everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while because I have been so busy with doing errands for our soon to be open sari-sari store. So now we are going to unbox these items that I got from the grocery store, and we are going to put price tag on each before displaying it on the shelves. And then I have here 3 boxes that I got last June 11, and then another 4 boxes that I got today, June 19. And we are going to unbox this, guys. So we are going to start with the food because I have here 2 boxes of non-food items. So let's start with this one. These are coffee, noodles, pretty much basic needs, guys, that a sari-sari store must have. So, different flavors of coffee. This one. And coffee. Noodles. Cooking must-haves. Creamer. Soy sauce. Okay. Let's group them into... creamer again. So this one. Oh, milk and chocolate drink. Cup noodles. Let's repack sugar, guys. So we will repack 1/2 kilograms of sugar. Tie it up like this. Wow. Everybody, so dumating ang ating restock ng mga products ngayon mula sa Ribisco, Century at sa ating Three Kings, which is washed sugar. So, nag-restock ako ng 2 sako kasi may bumibili dito sa akin ng tig-iisang sako. Kaya dinagdagan ko. Yung isa pang retail ko. So, ito naman ay from City Mart. Ito, direct ako sa Century. Kaya medyo mura ang kuha ko nito. Tapos sa Ribisco, lahat ng mga Ribisco products ko, direct din sa Ribisco. Kasama itong Chubby, lahat ng flavors meron ako. Tapos, itong mga cream sticks na sobrang mabentang mabenta. Ganun din ang stick o. So, dumating din kanina ang Nestle. Kumuha tayo ng Nescafe Bear Brand, tsaka Milo. Nag-restock tayo. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching.